Well, it was a bad day for Kamran Akmal, without a doubt. He dropped a catch which really cost us a game. But I think instead of that, I think one should give credit to Ross Taylor, the way he paced his inning after that. He played superbly, he played outstandingly. You don't really play many innings in your lifetime, I guess. वर्ल्ड कप के बाद शायद ऐसा सोचा जा सकता है मेरे ख्याल में, क्योंकि अब तो वी आर इन द मिडल ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि कुछ ऐसी चेंजेस लाई जा सकती हैं, लेकिन यह है कि अगले 5 दिन हमारे पास ऑफ हैं. कोशिश ये की जाएगी कि उनकी जो थोड़ी बहुत खामियां हैं उनको थोड़ा बहुत ठीक किया जाएगा, क्योंकि इतने छोटे टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा खामियां दूर नहीं की जा सकती, लेकिन यह है कि कोशिश की जा सकती है. It's more or less the same. The gentleman asked me the question was, we've been giving him a lot of chance in the past for the last couple of years, and he hasn't really proved it right. But I mean, we are in the middle of the tournament. We can't really sort of kick him out at the moment. We can try to make him better for the next game and make sure that he wouldn't do the same mistakes what he did. Look, that was a big turning point, without a doubt. That was a huge turning point, given a chance to somebody like Ross Taylor, who, who's a top player in their side. They depend on him, and we gave him 2 chances in 3 balls, which really cost us. But I mean, we bowled poorly also. Don't only dump Kamran Akmal. I think we bowled pretty poorly at the end. A couple of overs from Shoaib Akhtar, and also Razak really, 50-60 runs in 2 overs. You don't expect to win after that. That is in a way right, that we this is the first time we were chasing something, and we proved to be sort of on the wrong side. And I think we got to start talking to each other and say, how are we going to chase? We can't really let people just walk over us. We have seen teams chasing 300 plus in this tournament, and this pitch was definitely chaseable. I think the momentum in the last few overs, which when we were fielding, went the New Zealand way, and it didn't really come back. We're not going to panic here. That's the important thing. If we panic here, we're going to really struggle in this tournament. There's still big games to come. We got Australia to handle, and then we got quarterfinal if we get there. So I don't think one should get panic about it. I mean, we had a bad day. That's I think it should stop here, and we should just look forward from here. I think what Abdur Rahman has done over the last